So it's been about 3 weeks since the first vaccine dose landed in Philadelphia. The city's been getting out about 10,000 doses every single week over that time. The city health commissioner, he admits that that is not nearly enough, but points to vaccine manufacturers and the federal government as places that need to step up. In 3 weeks, Philadelphia has managed to give 28,476 people their first of 2 shots. At this pace, it will be more than a year before everyone living in the city is fully vaccinated.
To speed up the process, more than anything, we need more doses. Even though we haven't disseminated all the doses we have, if we had more doses, we would definitely get more people vaccinated.
But according to the City Department of Health, most of the vaccine already shipped here directly by the federal government is sitting in storage.
You have 30,000 doses sitting in storage, and the question becomes, how are you going to speed up vaccinations?
Yeah, well, when you initially set up a system, you have to put vaccine in all these different sites. You don't expect that for every one dose you put out there, there's one person who comes in and gets it vaccinated. There's always going to be a certain inventory in all the sites you're going to have.
So far, December 30th is Philly's most successful vaccination day. It's when more than 3,500 people got their first shots. But the city health department records show no one vaccinated on January 1st and fewer than 1,700 total vaccinations since New Year's Day.
All this has been done, by the way, by a healthcare system that is still dealing with a pandemic and is very stressed with that, and by a public health system that has received 0 federal funds for the dissemination of the vaccine.
Dr. Farley is also watching the new and more contagious COVID strain first found in the United Kingdom and now spreading in 4 U.S. states.
Are you going to be able to vaccinate people fast enough so that we don't have to have another shutdown?
I can't guarantee that. I would like to do that, but it all depends on how quickly the vaccine comes to us and then how quickly this variant arrives.
Now, right now, Philadelphia's indoor dining restrictions, they're still set to expire on January 15th. Dr. Farley did say that he is hopeful the 120,000 or so medical workers that are in the first vaccination group in Philadelphia, that they will be able to get at least their initial doses before the end of this month. As far as the general public, he did say that he expects it to be several months before there's widespread access. It's the latest from Philly. I'm Mitch Blacher, NBC10 News.